Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram story not showing on home page, only showing up on DMS. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long page or long tap in Instagram application. Go to apps info, click on storage, again click on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store, go to search Instagram app, update your Instagram application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Again open your phone setting, go to Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 5. Again open your Instagram application. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram story not showing up on home page. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.